Did you know that millions of people dream of making $5,000 a month but struggle to achieve it? Are you one of them? Stick around to find out how you can turn this dream into a reality in 2024. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the steps you can take to make $5,000 a month in 2024. This isn't just a fantasy. With the right approach and strategies, it's a goal within your reach. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or completely transform your financial situation, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we jump into the solutions, let's talk about the challenges that many people face when trying to reach a $5,000 monthly income. Limited skills or experience. Many people believe they need advanced degrees or specialized skills to make substantial money, which isn't necessarily true. Time constraints. Balancing a day job, family, and other responsibilities can leave little time for additional income-generating activities. Lack of knowledge. Not knowing where to start or what opportunities are available can be a significant barrier. Fear of failure. The fear of trying something new and potentially failing holds many people back from pursuing their income goals. Financial constraints. Limited access to capital for starting a new venture can also be a roadblock. These challenges are real, but they are not insurmountable. Let's explore how you can overcome them. Now, let's delve into the proven strategies and steps that can help you reach that $5,000 per month milestone. 1. Freelancing and consulting. Freelancing offers a flexible way to leverage your skills and expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a marketplace for virtually any skill set. Here's how to get started. Identify your skill set. Determine what services you can offer based on your skills and experience. Common freelance services include writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, and consulting. Create a profile. Set up profiles on multiple freelancing platforms. Highlight your expertise, experience, and any relevant projects you've completed. Build a portfolio. If you don't have a portfolio, consider doing a few projects for free or at a reduced rate to build one. Market yourself. Use social media, networking events, and word of mouth to market your services. Join relevant online communities and forums to connect with potential clients. Set your rates. Research the market rates for your services and set competitive but fair prices. 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Starting an online store is another excellent way to generate income. E-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it easy to set up and manage your store. Consider these steps. Choose a niche. Select a profitable niche that interests you and has market demand. Source products. Find suppliers or use dropshipping to source products. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Create your store. Use an e-commerce platform to set up your store. Ensure it is user-friendly and visually appealing. Market your store. Utilize social media, SEO, email marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Optimize for conversions. Continuously test and optimize your website and marketing strategies to improve conversion rates. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. It's a low-risk way to earn money online. Here's how to get started. Choose a niche. Select a niche that you are passionate about and has profitable affiliate programs. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Create content. Build a website or blog and create valuable content that attracts your target audience. Use SEO strategies to rank your content in search engines. Promote products. Integrate affiliate links into your content naturally. Provide honest reviews and recommendations to build trust with your audience. Track and optimize. Use analytics tools to track your performance and optimize your strategies for better results. 4. Online courses and digital products. Creating and selling online courses or digital products can be a lucrative income stream. Here's a step-by-step guide. Identify your expertise. Determine what knowledge or skills you can teach others. Create your course. Develop a comprehensive course with video lectures, written content, quizzes, and assignments. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Thinkific can help you create and sell your course. Build an audience. Use social media, email marketing, and content marketing to build an audience interested in your course. Launch your course. Promote your course through webinars, live sessions, and special discounts. Gather feedback. Continuously improve your course based on student feedback. 5. Investing in stocks and real estate. Investing is a proven way to build wealth over time. While it requires some initial capital, it can generate substantial returns. Here's how to get started. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of investing in stocks and real estate. Books, online courses, and financial advisors can be valuable resources. Start small. Begin with a small investment to gain experience and build confidence. Diversify your portfolio. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate to spread risk. Stay informed. Keep up with market trends and adjust your investments as needed. 6. Passive income streams. Creating passive income streams can help you earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Here are some ideas. Rental properties. Invest in rental properties to earn monthly rental income. Ensure you manage or hire someone to manage the properties efficiently. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks to receive regular dividend payments. Royalties. Create intellectual property, such as books, music, or software, and earn royalties from sales. Peer-to-peer lending. Use platforms like Lending Club to lend money to others and earn interest. 7. Side hustles and gig economy jobs. Side hustles and gig economy jobs can supplement your income and help you reach your financial goals. Here are some options. Ride-sharing and delivery. Drive for companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Postmates to earn extra money. Freelance writing. Write for blogs, websites, or magazines on a freelance basis. Tutoring and teaching. Offer tutoring services in subjects you excel in or teach English online to non-native speakers. Handyman services. Provide handyman or home improvement services in your local area. Pet sitting and dog walking. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services through platforms like Rover or Wag. Now, let's share a success story that demonstrates the potential of reaching $5,000 a month. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer who started freelancing on Upwork. She built a strong portfolio, marketed her services effectively, and gradually increased her rates. Within 6 months, Sarah was consistently earning over $5,000 a month from her freelance projects, allowing her to quit her day job and focus on her passion full-time. To recap, making $5,000 a month in 2024 is achievable with the right strategies and determination. Whether you choose freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses, investing, passive income streams, or side hustles, the key is to stay consistent and adaptable. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and smart planning, you can reach your financial goals. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on financial success and wealth-building strategies. We'd love to hear your experiences and tips for making money, so share them in the comments below. Together, we can achieve our financial goals and live the lives we've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.